What is up, guys, and welcome back. So before adding the slider, I think that we should understand this Divi Builder. Okay, so I'm just gonna click close, and you can see that we have two sections right here. This is the default one that is created. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna delete this so that I have only one section. And here you can see I have a slider right here. Since we haven't added anything, that is why this is coming right here. Okay, if I just click this button, you can see I can save it. I can just click my button and it is portability. Okay, we'll understand this later on. Okay, and then we have the history, that the editing history, that when we did some changes. So if you want to revert it back, we can revert it back. Okay, and then we have this gear icon. We can change the whole page settings from here. Okay, we can change the color, we can change the spacing, we can go with the advanced, we can go with the performance. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. And then we have the cross section, so it's gonna take us to the bottom right here. And then we have the delete. It's gonna clear the whole layout. Okay, if I just click here, you can see all your current page content will be lost. If I just click here, you can see every data is deleted and everything is from start. So this is how it works. Okay, then we have this is the save to library function. This is exactly like Elementor. If we want to create anything and we want to call it anywhere, we can call it. And then we have this guy right here, load from library. So if you want to call anything, you can call it from library. And then we have this thing right here, so we can change the view of the page by clicking here. Okay, zoom out and make the full width. We can change the tablet mode, we can change the mobile mode. And then we have this guy right here. This is gonna show us the normal mode, that how everything is. We have the section right here, so we can add any one section right here. If we add full width, you can see this is how it's gonna appear. And this is basically, if we just click here again, it's gonna take us to the visual tab right here. Okay, so we have this one right here, and it's going to show you the builder settings. Okay, builder, default, interaction mode, history, interval level, builder interface, and everything. And then we have this guy right here, this and this. So if you just come here, if you just click here, you can see how this is. Delete section. Okay, this is the grid mode. Okay, so how this is going to work, if I just click here, you can see this is not coming. If I just click here again, then you can see these lines are coming. That is separating every section. Okay, if I just click here, this is basically called the click mode. So if I just click here, you can see everything is coming right here. If I click here again, this is gone. So you can work with that. And then we have the hover mode. So how this hover mode is going to work, if you bring your mouse over here, you can see this is coming. Okay, and if you go to the click mode, then if you bring your mouse over here, nothing is happening until you click here. And if you click here, then these sections are gonna appear. So you can pretty well work with this as well. Okay, I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna use the hover mode, and then let's come here, and we want to uncheck this. Okay, cool. And now we are done with the Divi Builder. We have now a great knowledge of the Divi Builder. In the next video, we'll be working up with the slider. So stay tuned, guys, and bye.